Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 169, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Crawford,
Jackson County, Indiana, that's us.
Lawrence, Orange, Terry, and Washington. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Whoa, a severe thunderstorm watch. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio if you can in the Seymour area. Bye. Okay.
Wheel for Frankfurt.